Hi guys, I've again joining you make an important announcement, and that's regarding your inter CA November 24 exam. आप लोग बोलेंगे सर क्या टाइम पास करते हैं? We have to still appear for foundation exam. We are going to appear for foundation exam in December. Results will be out by Feb. उसके बाद हमें विंटर CA के बारे में सोचेंगे. तू सोचता रहे. जमाना धक्का मार के निकल जाएगा. Gone are those days where you wait for your foundation results and then start inter-CA batch. We are going to start at Sheshadukya, at Dadar as well as at Opera House, fresh batch for November 24 exam inter-CA, right from 15th of Jan. We will complete the portion, underline it, by 31st of July 24. What happens once we complete our portion by 31st of July? You guys will get August, September, October, 3 months gap. One, to appear for the prelims that we will be conducting and for your self-study. We don't want to keep on appearing for inter-CA exams, right? We want to appear so that we clear in first attempt. More details about the batch, I will come up with one more video. But yes, as of now, you can contact these numbers to get more details about admission. The early bird admissions are going on in full swing at both the centers. Now there would be a small doubt in your mind. अब तो batch चालू करेंगे, fees ले लेंगे, and what if we get a negative result? Well, don't worry. Firstly, we will collect a marginal amount from you at the time of admission. Just pay 8,000 rupees and that's it. And start attending the lecture. In case, unfortunately, your result is negative, we will refund you full amount. That's a commitment from Sheshadukya. I don't see any reason why somebody who wants to appear for inter-CA exams in November 24 will not think of joining this batch. Admissions are already going in full swing. Our students who are studying with us for CA Foundation have already enrolled. What are you waiting for? Join now.